Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can mute your call notifications from someone on Snapchat. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to mute someone's call on Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to make sure that you are on the chat section of Snapchat. Once you're in the chat section, you will be able to see all your chat conversations with your friends, so just find the friend for which you want to mute the call notifications. So let's say that this is the friend whose calls you want to mute, for example. So to mute their calls, first, I want you to long press their profile. And then go to Chat and Notification Settings. And after that, tap the notification settings at the bottom. And then right here, you will now be able to see the mute calls option, so just turn it on to mute the call notifications from this friend. And then right here, you just need to select how long you want to mute the call notifications. And then after that, the calls from this person will now be finally muted. And by the way guys, you can also select if you want to mute the chat notifications too. Just turn this on if you want. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.